This video is for Delta Math Lesson 4-5 on linear, nonlinear, increasing and decreasing functions. Make sure you start off by writing down the title of this lesson. Okay, so start your notes with this title at the top. So this whole lesson is going to be about looking at graphs and looking at the shape and if it's increasing or decreasing. Okay, so we're going to be looking at graphs and then identifying if they're linear, nonlinear, increasing, or decreasing as functions. Okay. So in your notes, you specifically need to have the definitions: linear, which means a straight line, nonlinear, which is not straight. So looking at these, we can see on the left, we have linear lines, and on the right, we have nonlinear. Okay. And then, so linear is a straight line, nonlinear is not straight. And then we also can decide if these are increasing or decreasing. And when we do that, increasing means it's going up from left to right. So look at these. Which one of them is increasing? The top one is increasing because it's going up from left to right. Remember back when we were really starting off with these terms, we had Running Man. He always started along the x-axis and he ran, and what happened? It increased, it went up. Okay, so the slope is increasing here. On this line, from left to right, it is going down. So we're reading them from left to right, so that means this one is decreasing. Okay, so the top one is increasing, and the bottom one is decreasing. You can also determine sections of nonlinear lines, whether they're increasing or decreasing. So specifically from here to here, because they're not straight, we'll have to look at a section of it. And that would be decreasing in that section. So this part would be decreasing, but at the same time, then you could also look at a different section on the same line and see that would be increasing. So depending on what section you're looking at. Okay, so let's look at examples of identifying them as linear, nonlinear, increasing, or decreasing. And please make sure you pause this video until you have these definitions in your notes. Okay, so let's look at an example. Here is an example of a graph. The graph of the function is shown below. On which interval is the function increasing and nonlinear? Okay, so think back to those definitions or look back. What does the increasing section have to look like? And what does the nonlinear section need to look like? Okay, so increasing is going to need to go upwards. Decreasing and nonlinear is going to need to go curved. Okay, it wouldn't be straight. So we scan our graph to find where it is increasing and nonlinear. So where it's going up and curved. And from there, we can circle the numbers that are on our graph. So from here to here is where I see the graph increasing and nonlinear because it's going up and it's curved. So I look to see between what two numbers is this occurring? Well, it's between -9 and -5. So the function of x, -9 is less than x and also less than -5. So that's how we would type that in to graph that section. So we can definitely see that the function is increasing on the interval because it's going up as you go from left to right. The function is nonlinear on the interval because it is curved. So that section is highlighted, showing that it is between -9 and -5. So make sure that you are also looking at the feedback on all of the problems in Delta Math because they do a nice job of explaining step by step each problem. If you're following along on the paper version of the Delta Math assignment, this is number 9. Okay. The graph of a function is shown below. What is true about the function on the intervals -6 is less than x is less than 0? So what you do is you find your spot on your graph that's between the 2 points that they talk. So we find -6. So find -6. We find 0. And we look at the section of the function or the section of the line that is between those 2 points. So where am I looking at? I'm looking at the section from here to here. And what's happening with that? I see that the line is going down. So what word is used to describe a function that is going down? That's right, decreasing. And then we identify, is it linear or nonlinear? It is straight, so it's linear. So the words that we would be looking for to describe that are down, which is decreasing, and straight, which is linear. So this is a decreasing and linear function between the points -6 and 0. Okay. We're just specifically looking at the 2 points between -6 and 0. So looking at that section of the function. Okay, remember as you're working through the Delta Math lessons that almost every problem within Delta Math has a video that's built in that you can watch at any time. Slow them down, pause them to learn more. So the key to this lesson is making sure you understand the words increasing and decreasing and linear and nonlinear. So you're deciding which is a fit. Each of these problems, start by using the paper version of this lesson and highlighting those words. You're looking for decreasing. What does that mean? It means it's looking down. It's moving down. You can draw arrows next to them. So decreasing means going down. And remember, we're talking from left to right. Nonlinear means wavy. So make sure as you go through this lesson that you read carefully, that you can use your paper version. You can highlight words. You can make notes. Make sure you have those definitions at the top. All right. If you have any questions, go ahead and message me or send me a picture of your notes and we will talk it through. Talk to you soon.